Hello guys, welcome back. So in the previous part, I built a basic framework, overall framework for this project, and here we'll be adding logic to each and every program in one videos of following. So in this particular video, we are adding logic for the generate short URL function. So here we initially take an integer hash, if we initialize it to 0. So we are iterating through each and every part of each and every element in the long URL, and then we are taking that hash equal to hash multiplied by 31. So 31 is basically, it is multiplying the previous hash by 31. So we get the next hash number followed by the long URL, the entire modulo by 10 lakh. The reason behind this is it maintains to keep the URL short, and then after that we have an empty string called short URL. Here we wanted just 6 characters, so we're taking from I equal to 0 to I equal to 6, less than 6. So we get the 0 to 5, we get 6 characters. And then how do we do that character is basically, because we have 26 characters in the small characters in the alphabet series, so we are starting with A followed by all the other 25 characters. So we get one small digit, small alphabet for each and every hash, and then we keep on adding it to the short code and followed by 26. Again, the reason is to get it to keep it short, and then to keep it within the alphabet series. So we're taking it divided by 26. Now after that we have to return the short URL saying this is the URL followed by the short code of whatever we have generated here, the 6-digit code. So that's it for this video. I'll just run the program. So I'll choose 1. Okay, my bad, 1 second. All right. So yeah, we have this particular function in this part. So again, when we click on 1, then this is called. So this. So I'll submit the program. We'll see the working in the next video. The test case have passed, and that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.